Welcome guys. In this video we'll take a look at the review tab of our PowerPoint. Now the first option in the review tab you will see is spelling. Now this is our spelling checker. It will check the spelling in your presentation. So for example, if I write a spelling here, I will write ocean but I will write it wrong. Okay, and if I just click on spelling checker, okay, here you'll see it will highlight this ocean and it will say it is wrong and it will give me other spelling. Okay, if you want to change the spelling, just select the spelling and click on change. Okay, and it will change this ocean spelling. Okay, and it will ask you spell check complete, you are good to go. Okay, now you can see the spelling is being changed. Other thing here you can do, if I just click on again, if I just change the spelling, okay, and click on spelling checker. Now if I just click on change all, it will check this spelling in all of my presentation and change this to the change we have selected. Okay, other thing, if I just click on ignore, it will not highlight this as wrong spelling. Okay, and if I just click on ignore all, it will ignore all the spelling similar to this one in our presentation. Okay, and we can also add this spelling to our library. If I just click on add, it will not mark it as wrong and it will add this spelling to our library. Okay, I'll change this to ocean. Okay, that's fine. Now the next thing here you see is thesaurus. Now what it will do, it will find similar word related to the word you have selected. Now in my case I selected this ocean, so if I just click on this, it will find all of the words similar to ocean. Okay, like water, sea, deep. Okay, you can change this word to any other word similar to the word you have selected. Okay, the next thing here you'll see smart lookup. Now if I just click on the smart lookup, it will use the internet and first of all click on got it. Okay, and if you don't know about this word, you can just search here in internet, it will search it for you. Okay, and ocean is a body of water that compose much of planet, so you can search about anything on internet. Make sure your internet connection is on. Okay, you can also see the definitions here. Okay, if you want here in your presentation, you can use it. The next thing here you see is translate. Now if I just click on translate, I can translate selected word. Okay, I'll click on translate selected word. Now it is asking me to translate your document. Text will be sent over to the internet in secured format to Microsoft or third-party translation service provider. So if you want this, just click on yes. Okay, now here you can select your language. For example, I will select this one. Okay, now ocean is translated to this word okeana. Okay, in Latvian word. Okay, now you can just click on insert, it will change this word to this word. Okay, the next thing here you'll see is language. Now if I just click on set proofing language, main language of PowerPoint here is English, so anything you write in different language will be marked as wrong, so it will underline it. Okay, so if you want to not underline that word, you can just add another proofing language which you are going to use in your presentation. Okay, you can select it and click on OK. The next thing here you'll see is new comment. Now you can add comment to your stuff. For example, I will select this text and click on new comment. Okay, now here I can write my comment. This is ocean. Okay, and here you'll see it will create a box beside your word. Okay, if I just click on this box, it will create this comment panel. Other thing here you can do, you can delete your comment, you can change this to previous comment. If you have lots of comment in your presentation, you can move to the previous comment, next comment, and if you click on show comments, it will ask you comment panel. If you just click on comment panel, it will open the comment panel, and if you just click on this show markup, right now it is checked. If I just uncheck this, it will remove this comment icon from my presentation. If I just check this, it will add this, and if I select my comment and click on delete, it will delete my comment. Okay, now if you want to add another presentation to your current presentation, just click on compare and then select your presentation and add it here. Okay, the last thing here you see is start inking. If I just click on it, Now here I can change my ink thickness and stuff like that. I can change color. Okay, I can make it much thicker and do lots of cool stuff like this. Now that's it for the review tab here in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.